Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 13. His pen, his phone, his TV. Her pen, her phone, her TV. His things, her things, her things. His pen, he, his pen, her, her, her pen. His pen, her pen, her pen. His pen, her pen. His phone, her phone. His TV, her TV. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? You say. It's a pen. It's her pen. It's her pen. What is it? You say. It's his phone. It's his phone. What is it? It's his TV. 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 What is it? It's a phone. It's her phone. It's her phone. It's a phone. Whose bike is it? His or hers? Guess. It's hers. It's her bike. This is his bike. Whose bread is it? His or hers? His or hers? Guess. It's hers. It's hers. It's her bread. She likes brown bread. She likes brown bread. She likes brown bread. This is his bread. He likes white bread. He likes white bread. He likes white bread. Guess whose food this is? Guess whose food this is? His or hers? It's hers. She likes sandwiches. She likes sandwiches. This is his food. He likes chicken. Guess whose drink this is? His or hers? It's his. He likes Coke. This is her drink. She likes tea. Yes or no? Does she like Coke? Does she like Coke? Does she like Coke? No. She likes tea. She likes tea. Does he like sandwiches? Does he like sandwiches? No. He likes chicken. He likes chicken. Does she like white bread? Does she like white bread? No. She likes brown bread. She likes brown bread. She likes music. She likes cars. She likes clothes. He likes animals. He likes sport. He likes computers. Who likes cars? Who likes cars? Who likes cars? Who likes cars? She does. She likes cars. Who likes sport? He does. He likes sport. Who likes clothes? She does. She likes clothes. Who likes animals? He does. He likes animals. That's it for today. Thanks for coming, and see you next time. Goodbye.